Okay, here's some basic turntable operation. I can see the turntable is mounted. Underneath is all the mechanism that drives it. I know this is all going on a wonky angle and stuff, but there's the boards controlling it. There's the screen. So I've got it set up. It's already in auto mode here. So what I'm going to do is select the ends. I'm still using the buttons on the breadboard. I haven't wired up the ones on the panel yet. But right now I am aligned up on my red end. You can see the red dot just at the end of the turntable there, right there. And it's lined up with position 1, which is roughly where the track will be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here, and I am now going to select a new spot on the railroad to go. So I'm going to take it, and I'm going to run it to the closed shed track, the red end. So this thing's going to have to turn better than 180 degrees, and I'm just going to tell it to go. And I simply do that by pressing this button here. That would be the run button. And away it goes. So the turntable's turning in automatic. It's running around. We can see that it's getting around to the other side. And once it lines up there, I'll move around. But we're going to see it'll stop automatically when it gets to the shed track. And there it is, it stopped. So I'll get up here. We'll go around. And we can see there it made it to state track number 4. So it's lined up with track number 4, which is, according to the panel, where we wanted to go, track number 4. Now I'm going to pretend that an engine came out of the shed, but I want to turn it 180 degrees and put it back in the shed. So what I need to do is change the end. So I need to have the gold end now go there. So I switched it to gold track, and now I'm going to tell it to go. And there's the turntable turning. What you're going to see, I'm going to come around here. I'm going to line up roughly to track 4 there so you can just see it at the bottom of the picture. It's going to come in here, and it lined up. So these numbers can all be fine-tuned in the program, and you can select, and you can carry on from here. Now I've taken my train back into the shed. I could pick one up from the open track, and this will just go on and on and on, and we just keep pressing the button and run it. So the turntable's running, it's quiet, and the indexing is all manually set inside of the program. So the only thing I do is I do one stop for doing calibration.